Good morning, guys. Want to take a guess where I am? I'll give you a clue. Most of my videos start in one. Yep, another airport. This time I'm in Lima, Peru, and I am flying to Cusco with my best friend Lauren, who just got here. I'm so excited to see her. So we're heading to Machu Picchu. I'm so excited. One of the 7 wonders of the world, and I cannot wait to see it. So this video, I'm gonna take you through the step-by-step of exactly how to get there, because it's not as easy as you think. I thought you could just fly there and you could just be there. Not the case. So let's go. So step number 1, fly to Cusco. We have arrived at the Cusco airport. So the first thing we gotta do is get a ride to our hotel. Now, highly recommend calling an Uber or seeing if your hotel has a free shuttle pickup. Here, the taxis will overcharge you, and there's Uber here, so what's the point? And Uber is really cheap. To get into town, I think it cost me 13 sols, which is gonna be a little bit over 3 US. So take Uber, get to your hotel. So we made it to Cusco, and now we are in the beautiful Plaza de Armas, which is the center of town here in Cusco. And there are 2 huge churches here that are super beautiful. I'll check those out. Lots of little cafes and lots of tourists. So we're headed to check into our hotel right now, and then we're gonna get some rest because tomorrow we start our adventure to Machu Picchu. Lauren's laughing at me for vlogging right now. So now that we're in Cusco, step 2 to get to Machu Picchu is take a shuttle from Cusco to a town called Ollantaytambo. And so we just got on the shuttle. It only costs 10 sols, which is about $3 US, and it's about a 2-hour drive to the train. And then once we get there, we get on the train for more of a trek, and then I'll tell you about the next steps. So right now we're driving through the Sacred Valley, and it is so beautiful, so pretty. Alright, so we made it to Ollantaytambo. It is so beautiful here. We have 2 hours until our train, so we're gonna walk around. There's some ruins here we can check out, so we're gonna do that. Another pro tip about these shuttles, get on one that you find that has the most people, because the first one full is the one that leaves first. So we're wandering Ollantaytambo right now, and we stopped to look at some artisan pieces like bracelets and things, and met this really sweet woman with these 2 such cute kids. So I asked her if I could take their photo. She let me. They were just so stinking cute. The little baby was so smiling, happy, and like kept like trying to get me to pick him up. And so we bought a couple bracelets from her, and now we're just walking around waiting for our train. Gotta get in line to get on the train. So step 3 is you take a train from Ollantaytambo to Aguas Calientes, which is the city right outside of where Machu Picchu is. The train's a little pricey depending on the time of day and the car you get. It's anywhere from 40 to 70 US each way. So now we're on our way to Aguas Calientes. This train rocks back and forth like crazy. But it's nice, they have these sunlights so you can actually see the peaks of the mountains above us. We made it to Aguas Calientes! Yay! Survived. Not the worst train ride ever. Absolutely beautiful waterfalls and rivers and jungle. It was pretty cool. So now we gotta find our hotel, pass out, so we gotta get up at like 4 in the morning to hike Machu Picchu. Alright, so we are finally heading to hike up Machu Picchu. We were gonna try to get there for sunrise, but we woke up at 4 and it was pouring rain. So we decided to just chill for a little bit, wait for it to let up, and now we're heading over there. I left my heart in LA. So step 4 is get in an insanely long line to ride the shuttle, like that one going by, from Aguas Calientes to the actual Machu Picchu entrance. Since we got here a little bit late, the line is really long. If you get here early, it's probably a lot shorter. We're hoping to get up there maybe the next half an hour. One bedroom apartment, right there where we started. You looked at me and I'm done. Now we're riding through the city of the feelings that you give me. We come alive after dark. Holy crap, we're here. We tripped on Hollywood stars. These lights take me to places that I want to stay. And right now I feel taken by the thought of you in LA. There's a little family of alpacas that likes to hang out here and eat the grass and visit with the tourists. They're so cute. So once inside the grounds, you have the option of hiking 2 different circuits. One is up above and one is down below. Additionally, you can hike the Machu Picchu mountain or the Huayna Picchu mountain. Those do cost extra, and they are 2 hours-ish up and very, very steep, but they're supposed to be the best views. We're about to go hike the Machu Picchu mountain. This guy's really close, hanging out with an alpaca. Another one. Lauren, you're good, just go.
I'm really scared. Oh, he's going.
Come on, come this way. An alpaca, but walking her path at the moment. See if we can get past him. She's moving, he's moving. You know, normal hike past a hungry alpaca. Okay, so hiking this mountain is no joke. It's just straight up for 2,000 feet. So tired, so out of breath. We're gonna do it. The sunset flashes golden. I never thought that now we're just checking out really cool butterflies and flowers. And Lauren's dying. What do you think, Flo?
I like it. Tired.
Yeah, really pretty, right?
Very pretty.
Okay, so hiking all the way up here, super difficult, not an easy hike at all. We are so out of breath, so sweaty. The view is insane. I'm glad we did it. It's only a little bit extra than the than the original cost of the ticket. Definitely worth doing if you can, but please know it is really, really steep and really, really hard. Bring bug spray, bring sunscreen, bring water, bring a snack. You're here for most of the day. The weather is really all over the place. It was pouring this morning, then these clouds rolled in and we couldn't see anything, and now it's clear. The clouds are above us, so there's not a lot of sun, but it's still really bright. We can see everything and it's so pretty. It's just, we packed jackets and now we're like just slowly taking the layers off. It's just one of those places where it's ever changing, so you have to be prepared for all of it. That is my step-by-step on how to get to Machu Picchu. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe. I have a lot more coming, a lot more hikes around the world, and I'll put a link to that playlist below for you. This is one of my favorites so far. It's absolutely amazing, and now I can check one of the 7 wonders off my bucket list. So excited.